Sibinumuti. Gunadala Haweyuri Uguchuru Garifuna. Today is a special day, and I want to take the chance to wish everyone, including my mom, happy Mother's Day. And the way you say that in Garifuna, well, Mother's Day in Garifuna is Haweyuri Uguchuru. Haweyuri Uguchuru. So, in my mind, I'm thinking Gunadala Haweyuri Uguchuru is Happy Mother's Day, which just so happens to be the Garifuna phrase of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I always appreciate your time. And until the next episode, Sareme. Ayo. Oh, also, the song playing is by Reckless. I can't think of the name right now. But yeah, Lodge Up Reckless.